Welcome to Car AutoZone, where style meets steel and history drives the future. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic and timeless classic cars ever made, the Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. A car that perfectly blended European elegance with German engineering, creating a masterpiece that still turns heads decades after its debut. The Karmann Ghia isn't just a car, it's an experience. Introduced in 1955, it was Volkswagen's answer to the demand for a more stylish and sporty vehicle without losing the simplicity and reliability that made the Beetle so popular. While it shared the same platform and mechanical components with the Beetle, the Karmann Ghia brought a whole new level of sophistication. Its flowing curves and handcrafted bodywork were a stark contrast to the utilitarian Beetle, and it quickly gained a following among drivers who wanted a bit of flair with their functionality. This beauty was born from a collaboration between Volkswagen, the German coachbuilder Karmann, and the Italian design house Ghia. The result: a low-slung coupe with seductive curves, subtle chrome accents, and a look that oozed 1950s jet-age style. The craftsmanship was impeccable, with many of the body panels welded and smoothed by hand. That attention to detail made the Karmann Ghia stand out not just as a car, but as a rolling piece of art. Under the hood, the Karmann Ghia wasn't a performance beast. It came equipped with a small air-cooled flat-4 engine, initially producing just around 30 horsepower. But this car wasn't about speed. It was about the joy of the drive. Light steering, smooth gear changes, and a relaxed cruising style made it perfect for scenic drives along coastal highways or winding country roads. And despite its modest power, the Karmann Ghia's lightweight build made it nimble and responsive. Inside, the cabin was simple but classy. A clean dashboard layout, stylish steering wheel, and comfortable seats made it a pleasant place to be. Later models introduced upgrades like disc brakes and improved suspension, but even the earliest versions had a certain charm that few cars of its era could match. What really made the Karmann Ghia special was how it made drivers feel. It wasn't just another car, it was a statement. Driving a Karmann Ghia was like wearing a tailored suit or stepping into a jazz lounge. It had presence, it had character, and it had soul. Over its production run, which lasted until 1974, the Karmann Ghia saw several changes and refinements, including the addition of a convertible version that added open-air freedom to the already stunning design. More than 445,000 units were produced, and today, they're prized collectibles for vintage car enthusiasts and restoration pros alike. Despite being out of production for over 50 years, the Karmann Ghia still captures hearts around the world. Its blend of beauty, simplicity, and craftsmanship remains unmatched. Whether you see one at a car show, spot one cruising down the road, or are lucky enough to own one yourself, the Karmann Ghia reminds us that cars can be more than machines. They can be art. Thanks for watching Car AutoZone. If you love classic cars that tell a story and capture the spirit of a bygone era, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more timeless rides. See you in the next video.